Sunday morning. What minor flooding is forecast? Where? Connecticut River at Northampton. When? Until early Sunday morning.
Oh boy.
Impacts at 112.0 feet.
What?
Land flooding is expected in and around Northampton, including low-lying sections of the Oxbow. Minor flooding affects Hadley along Aquavite Road. In Hatfield, flooding is expected in the lowest-lying sections, primarily farming interests outside flood dike protection. Additional details. At 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday, the stage was 111.4 feet.
Jesus.
Banksville stage is 112.0 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage just after midnight tonight to a crest of 112.4 feet tomorrow morning. It will then fall below flood stage late tomorrow evening. Flood stage is 112.0 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Flood warning remains in effect.
Oh, wow. Flood warning for Connecticut River at Northampton. You know what that means? 600 EAS captures! We did it! We did it! 600 EAS captures! Let's go! Yeah, boy! We did it! We did it! W's in the chat. W's in the chat. We just hit 600 EASs because of that flood warning. Let's freaking go!